next speaker is Asit Kadyan, Deputy Director General, Department of Telecommunications, and I'd like to call him on the dais.
Dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, it is my privilege to be here today among distinguished experts and the leaders who are shaping the urban mobility of the future. I may not be a metro planner or a rail engineer, but I come from the world that has begun to redefine how we understand the needs of the people and how they move. So what is their mobility needs? And that is being done through the telecom, artificial intelligence, and the digital twin. And we have done some of the work, and we are aiming to build something quickly in the next few months. So if we take a challenge and just ask a question just outside this building, that there is a traffic, and we want to know where people are coming from or where they are going to. So the answer from the experts is typical that yes, we have a 4-step model and origination, it is called a origination destination matrix, and that we do using surveys or interviews, but we need to understand whether these surveys, which are the manual, do they really reflect the urban mobility? Are they closer, are these techniques, the traditional techniques, are reflecting the real needs? So reality check is that means interviews or all these surveys are not reaching most of the people. They are not truly representative. There is a bias, and it is quite different than what actually is the need of the people. And that is so obvious from the number of metros and their riderships, that what has been claimed as a part of the detailed project report and what is happening at the moment. And when you discuss in a detail, people agree, and everybody agrees that yes, telecom can play a role. If it can be used, how to make it available. And it is not something new. The intelligence in the telecom data was there for last 2 decades or 3 decades when this telecom was launched. This data is available, but not accessible. So why we are stuck? Why we are not able to take advantages of this data? So there is a wall of privacy. Privacy concerns, data regulations, and the risk and liabilities. Raw data cannot be shared, no go. It cannot be made available. Anonymization, people think that anonymization is the answer, but when you go into the detail, it is ineffective. It is often ineffective. And if you try to do aggressive anonymization and take number of other techniques, then you lost the intelligence. So if you try to address this aspect, then you start losing the intelligence. And there is a breakthrough. We have conducted POC with DMRC, and where 2 major telecom service providers participated in this, and we have followed the principle that don't ask for the data. So without asking data from any of the telcos, we could generate OD matrix, and it was more than 80% accurate. And we observed privacy, and it was privacy by design, and intelligence was unlocked. And it was not only a OD matrix, but we could also figure out the catchment areas, we can predict the catchment areas, and real-time flow analysis that can be done. Even the arrival distribution time and why people take more time to reach to the metro stations and what can be done. And in this initiative, more players are adding up. And this can be elevated, and now we have planned to elevate it, and digital twin we are bringing in, and that can be done for a simulation or a prediction, and that can be adapted for metro route extensions or a metro route planning, or improving the ridership impact, or even it can be clubbed with the help of the geospatial digital twin, that how to plan a transit oriented design, and how these interplays can be simulated when you are planning. And this real time behaviors can be taken into account. And the power of the insight which is enabled through this is that, as MD sir mentioned in his speech, that it should no more be on the assumption, it should be insight based. Yes, it is there that from guesswork to ground truth, it can be done. And what Madam Thara mentioned in her speech, that how to look in a totality, and how the railways can talk to each other. This information which is provided by the telco can help two railways to talk to each other in a friendly manner. And it also helps you because it is the only telecom which enables you talk to anyone in the 140 crore population at any time. And you can understand his needs in a more precise manner, and you can empower him to engage in a more interactive manner and a more intuitive manner to design your networks. So we can achieve the citizen part, we can help you to talk to each other, and we can help you to see in a totality. So let's do that, and let's make it real, because we can help to create clear links between the cause, impact, and utility. So now time is to act, and first thing is that how telecom data, which is enabled through this DMRC POC, can be utilized by all metros. And this is a high fidelity OD matrix which is generated, and other intelligence which it enables, how we can utilize it. So whether comprehensive mobility plan toolkit, CMP toolkit of 2014 can be amended quickly, and we can enable this, or how the digital twin and AI initiatives which DoT is spearheading can be made part of the CMP toolkit. So now my request is to join the DoT's Sangam Digital Twin Initiative Stage 2, which we will be launching very soon. And in last, the main principle is that don't ask for data, ask for insights. And it is not about collecting more data. It is about understanding what truly matters. And in that, digital twin and a smart communication network helps. And this is the new philosophy of the planning that we should adopt. So last, let's build the future from the future, and invite you to join DoT's Sangam Digital Twin Initiative. Thank you. Thank you very much.